There's a lot of discussion about young men and what the hell they're going through right now. Because after the last couple weeks, I think we've all been wondering what the hell happened. What are men going through that is causing them to make the choices that they're making? Um, so I thought I could give my 2 cents because there's a lot of young men that are just having a hard time right now. They're feeling lonely. A lot of it has to do with just like finding a purpose and feeling, I think, feeling needed. um it's so complicated. I feel like the only thing I could really speak on, and this is important, but is like dating. um don't think about it too hard. that's probably my that's probably the best advice I could give. If you want a girlfriend, assuming you're just a straight guy, um if you want a girlfriend, I'm not going to say it's easy, but it doesn't have to be as hard as you're making it out to be. The trick is to just, and this might sound kind of condescending, but stick around, it'll be worth it. Um, just treat them like people. A lot of guys might hear that and think like, I don't treat women like objects or whatever, but it's not that you're treating them like objects or like you hate women. It's just a lot of guys come into these relationships with the intention of dating, and that's just not the way to go about it. Um, um, that's not fair to say either, because some people just want to date and have fun, and they do the apps and they get together, whatever. But I think if you want to find like a partner, somebody you really connect with, just focus on making friends, and just being friendly to people. Treat women like you would anybody else, and not something to be attained, not like a potential uh girlfriend or wife. Just make friends. And if you make a lot of friends and some of those friends happen to be girls, and eventually you will click with one, and it could turn into something else. When it comes to making friends, that's entirely different advice, but I feel like making friends is the first step.